Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video it's going to be like a short one. I just want to show you the fabrics that I recently got. So this will be a fabric haul video. Some of it I did get from Spotlight, but I also have a massive box that I got from my best friend Sophie from April Scrunchies. She sent me a whole heap of fabrics that she didn't want anymore, and I would love to show you what I got. I also got a heap more of these mailers because I'm obsessed, and they're from the Sunshine Packaging Co. Okay, I think we'll start off with Sophie's box because all the other fabrics are actually already like wound up onto the boards and like put everywhere, so I'll have to like move you to show you all them, but I thought I'd show you them anyway. Okay, let's have a look. I actually haven't gone through this box yet. I opened it up and sort of had a little quick look and like to do a video, like a TikTok, but I haven't actually gone through it. So this is how big the box is. So there's heaps in here. So this has been a few months in the making. So has been like collecting these fabrics because she mostly didn't like them or didn't like the feel of them. Like they're ones that she's purchased online and just didn't like, she didn't want to make scrunchies out of them. But this is the first one. So it is very light fabric, it's very kind of sheer, I guess. Maybe like a chiffon. But yeah, I love this print. It's so cute. So it sort of maybe reminds me of a rayon. Actually, it might be rayon. Yeah, it sort of reminds me of a rayon from Spotlight, like how it's quite thin material. And I reckon this would probably be the same sort of material. So it's like an orangey flower one, which is also really pretty. I love these ones. I'm not sure what sort of blend these would be. 3 different types. This one feels like a linen. This one isn't though. This one feels like a cotton. These two feel like a linen blend, or possibly like the fake linen blend. Like it feels like linen but isn't linen. So we got those two, like a gingham one. This one's like a satin. Beautiful colour. Whoa, it looks so pretty on the camera. So that's another satin, but it's really nice colour. So there's that one. I've got actually a heap of satins in here. Green one. I think I've got one maybe very similar to this, or at least similar colour. Might not be the same sort of satin though. Ooh, there's yellow. Again, I think I have a very similar colour to this one, but it's one of the really cheap ones from Spotlight, which frays a lot. But I feel like this one's actually better quality than the one I have from Spotty. This one, I'm actually not sure what this one is. Oh wait, I think it's inside out. It's satin again. So yeah, a beautiful orange satin one. So I got this one. Maybe like a crepe. I'm terrible at knowing, but so it's a beautiful little floral one. I think these would be really cute in like a mini scrunchie. I got this one. I really like this one. I love pink though, so a bit biased. So oh, some leopard. Oh, this is leopard print satin. So I got that one. I haven't had leopard print satin in years. Haven't been able to find it again. Had it when I first started, but I don't. Oh my god, it's inside out. Okay, I was gonna say I have no idea what this sort of one is. I think it's a velvet. Ooh, oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see. It's got like little glitter everywhere. That is gonna be so messy, but it's so pretty. I had one like that was red velvet, and like it's already all over the bag. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Yeah, I had one like that and it was red velvet and it went everywhere. But it does look very pretty as a scrunchie. You got this one. I think it may be a rayon, possibly. One feels a little bit softer, but I feel like it's a rayon as well. Yeah, it's like purple with like blue. Got these. These ones are Jocelyn. Is it Jocelyn? Jocelyn something. I remember her name. But it was like over 2 years ago that I went crazy with her fabric. So yeah, it's Jocelyn or something. Then mine is from Spotlight, and they're the wattle ones, I think. Oh, this is another satin leopard print. This feels really nice. Oh, this one's very similar to the other one, other purple one. So this one's like blue, little flowers. Oh, here we go. Jocelyn Proust. That one. Yeah, so they're spotlight as well. Okay, we still have another bag to do. Let's see what's in here. That one. So little dots on it. Ooh. So there's this one. It's got like flowers with a black background, and that's a satin as well. So a lot of satin in here. Oh, we got even more satin down the bottom. I think is there two there? Or is that just changes colour? That's a pretty cool one. Okay. They all look so cool as a scrunchie because it will like ombre. Anyway, this is that. Oh, I think this one's an ombre one too. That's so cool. Okay, so this one is like got a darker pink and a lighter pink. That is like a really hot pink satin. That is so bright. Got this one, which is, oh, this one's very sheer. Maybe this one's a chiffon, maybe. But yeah, so that's that one. I had a dress like this once. But yeah, that's another like chiffon-y one. I might be getting the name wrong with the fabric. That's really pretty. That's very light and like sheer. And another chiffon-y one, chiffon. So that's pretty. And that one, again, that very light fabric. Oh, I've got that in the white version too, so there's that one. Okay, there's a few ones that match. So that's another florally one. It's a pink floral one. It's purple florals. Or purple and peach. This one's like a black florally one. So yeah, then they were all, yeah, the very sheer, I'm gonna say chiffon, but it might be wrong. But that's the sort of, yeah, that sort of material, sheer and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in the box. Okay, so as you can see, Sophie sent me so many, and I'm so grateful. So thank you so much, Sophie from April Scrunchies. If you haven't already, check out her YouTube channel. She's making a comeback, or she better be. Okay, so they are the ones that I got from Soph, and I'll show you the ones that I got from Spotlight now. And I'm happy to say I got them on clearance quite cheap. I was very, very happy with my haul. I got 55 meters for under $145. Yeah. I ended up getting the clearance price, which was already 50% off the sticker, the clearance sticker, and then I got an extra 30% off that price. That was really cheap. Okay, I'll show you. So to start off, there's these ones up here. I don't know if you can see. I've actually got the blue and the pink one before, but they were $27 a meter and they were down to $2.80 a meter. So I bought the whole lot of them, and they do not fit underneath my table because they are so thick. And I also put them up there because now underneath my table it's really, really full. So this is underneath so far, like at the moment. Just got so many. I wanted to keep all my packaging stuff because the packaging stuff works so well here. So yeah, I needed to put some other stuff up there. Now bear with me while I figure out which ones I actually purchased. It was definitely this one. So that's really lovely. And also all the boards are incorrect because I just put them on random boards. So if you ever see like clearance stuff, it might not have been the clearance ones, especially like the satins. I didn't get any of those on clearance besides that one. So yeah, I just rolled them up on whatever board that was that I found. Okay, so yeah, there's this one, which is really pretty. I think that'll turn out really cute as a scrunchie. And it's really packed in here, by the way. Like, you can't really fit anything else in here. We've got this one. So I've already had this one in the past. Well, very similar. It's got like a brown like check to it. But this one's just the white and black. I also got the plaid looking yellow one, which was really cute, like a knit. Got this one. It's like a florally one. Floral pink, which was really pretty. I got that one here, which is, yeah, another knit one. I definitely got more than this. Most of them will be in here. Okay, I also got this one, but there wasn't much of this, so I ended up cutting most of it. But it's like it's a weird fabric. I've never had this sort of fabric before. Well, I've felt it before, but I've never used it. Yeah, it's a weird fabric. Maybe that is all we got. But I just got so many meters of everything. Because yeah, the ones over here aren't new, those ones. Well, actually I got more from Spotlight than that, but maybe not. I just got so many meters. Most of them were, like, I got the full bolt, so it was 10 meters. Some of them were only a couple meters because there wasn't that much left. But yeah, whatever was on the bolt I got. I ended up with 55 meters of those, and I'll show you the scrunchie I made out of the velvets. So I needed to see if the velvets would work with the XL scrunchies, because that's what I wanted them for, the XLs. I have made a scrunchie with velvet not long ago and it didn't turn out very well. I'll show you that one first. It like bunched up, I don't know, it went weird. It's like the velvet's not dense enough, so it sort of just crumbles everywhere. And it sits funny, and it was so hard to sew. It was so hard. It was so slippery, and it was so expensive, this velvet. Couldn't believe how expensive it was. But these turned out really good. So this one was with the full WOF, and this one with 20 centimeters cut off. And I much prefer the less one because, yeah, it doesn't look as bulky, and it's not as, yeah, this is like heavy in the hair and stuff. So yeah, that's just too much. This one's more than enough. So yeah, I'm gonna go with those, and they turned out really nice. So just like for comparison, this has got the exact same amount on. It just, yeah, look how different that looks. I will be selling those eventually. I don't know when, but yeah, I've got those 4 colors up there. Anyway, that is my short video for today. Let me know which fabric you like the best. Make sure to give Sophie some love at April Scrunchies. Follow her channel. She's super close to being monetized. And that's pretty much all I have to say right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!